China unveiled plans for history's most ambitious hydroelectric project in Tibet. The controversial dam threatens to reshape regional power dynamics and raises alarm bells about environmental sustainability.
You won't believe it, but China is pulling off engineering miracles that seem straight out of a sci-fi movie. Bridges built in days, underwater tunnels that light up like discos, and futuristic high-speed trains zooming past at jaw-dropping speeds.
Now, have you ever imagined a train that can fly? China is working on a project to test their first aerial train in the industrial hub of Wuhan.
These mega projects are so massive and mind-blowing, they're leaving even American engineers in disbelief. From towering dams to cosmic telescopes, China's infrastructure is rewriting the rules of what's possible. Get ready to be amazed by these incredible feats of modern engineering. Rebuilding a flyover bridge in just 43 hours. In 2015, China shocked the world by completing the reconstruction of the Sanan bridge in Beijing in just 43 hours. Yes, you read that right. What would normally take months or even years in most countries was done in less than 2 days. The bridge, a vital traffic artery in Beijing, was completely dismantled and replaced at lightning speed, proving China's unmatched efficiency in infrastructure development. The process was no less than a spectacle. Over 1,300 workers worked in perfect synchronization, using cutting-edge machinery and meticulously planned logistics to ensure everything went smoothly. The beams were replaced, the structure reinforced, and finally, the roads were paved and painted, all within a single weekend. By the time Monday morning traffic rolled in, the brand new bridge was ready to welcome vehicles. Foreign engineers couldn't believe their eyes. Many remarked that such a project would take years in their home countries, often delayed by bureaucracy, labor shortages, and funding issues. In fact, an American professor compared it to the Charles River Bridge in Massachusetts, which took several years to renovate and went 3 times over budget. The Sanan Bridge reconstruction wasn't just about speed. It was a demonstration of China's engineering precision, teamwork, and unparalleled efficiency. It wasn't just a bridge. It became a symbol of progress, connecting not only roads but also inspiring awe across the globe. Truly, this was a feat that left the world speechless. The Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge. The Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge is the world's longest sea-crossing bridge, stretching an impressive 55 kilometers across the Pearl River Delta.
China's newest mega-bridge is open to the public. The 55-kilometer sea crossing connects the special administrative regions of Hong Kong and Macau to the city of Zhuhai in mainland China.
This breathtaking engineering marvel connects 3 major cities, Hong Kong, Zhuhai, and Macau, transforming a once 4-hour journey into a quick 40-minute drive. What makes this bridge so incredible isn't just its length, but the challenges engineers had to overcome. The bridge includes artificial islands, a 6.7-kilometer underwater tunnel, and a massive oversea structure supported by slender pillars designed to protect the habitat of the endangered Chinese white dolphins. The tunnel, constructed using immersed tube technology, required 33 massive sections, each weighing as much as an aircraft carrier, to be seamlessly connected underwater.
In China's Pearl River Delta, workers are installing tubes as heavy as aircraft carriers to form an underwater tunnel.
The bridge had to withstand typhoons, earthquakes, and heavy marine traffic, requiring advanced materials and designs. It took 9 years and a workforce of over 20,000 builders to complete this masterpiece, which is now a symbol of China's engineering brilliance. At night, the bridge transforms into a glowing spectacle, with flickering lights resembling a dragon winding above the sea. It's not just a bridge, but a symbol of connection, bringing together people, economies, and cultures in the Greater Bay Area. Today, the Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge stands as a testament to human ingenuity and China's unrelenting ambition to redefine what's possible in infrastructure. Chongqing-Hauwa Railway. The Chongqing-Hauwa Railway is an impressive rail line in southwestern China, linking the bustling city of Chongqing with Hauwa in Hunan province. Rugged mountains and steep cliffs, it stands as a remarkable example of human determination and engineering skill. In places like Wulong County, you'll see workers carefully navigating towering scaffolds hundreds of meters above the valley floor, almost like rock climbers on a vertical expedition. This railway did more than just conquer harsh terrain. It boosted regional growth and improved daily life for countless locals. Before trains arrived, people had to endure slow, narrow roads that wound around dangerous precipices. Now, travelers can journey swiftly and safely, bringing commerce and development to once isolated villages and towns. The improved transport network also attracts tourists who want to witness the dramatic landscapes firsthand, giving the local economy an extra push. Building this railway required smart ideas and cutting-edge technology. Engineers installed strong supports to anchor tracks in unstable rock and carefully placed protective barriers to guard against falling debris. Throughout the project, weather posed a constant threat, but the dedicated crew pressed on, proving that no obstacle is too great when guided by innovation and teamwork. Today, the Chongqing-Hauwa Railway symbolizes a triumph of courage and skill, connecting remote communities and encouraging economic progress. As trains speed along these tracks, they carry more than passengers. They also carry hope, opportunity, and pride for the people living in the mountains of southwestern China. High-speed overpass, dismantling in less than 5 hours. In Wuhan, China, an extraordinary engineering feat unfolded one quiet morning. 63 massive high-speed overpasses, each weighing around 200 tons, were dismantled and cleared in less than 5 hours. Yes, what might take weeks or months elsewhere was achieved in a single night, showcasing China's unmatched efficiency and advanced construction technology. The process was like a carefully choreographed dance. Engineers used cutting-edge machinery to dismantle the overpasses with incredible precision. Giant cranes, specialized equipment, and a well-coordinated team worked tirelessly through the night to ensure every piece of the structure was safely removed. It wasn't just about speed. It was about ensuring the safety of the surrounding area while completing the work within an almost impossible timeline. When the first rays of sunlight touched the earth, the overpasses were gone, and the highway was reopened to traffic as if nothing had happened. Drivers passing through were stunned to see the familiar overpasses had disappeared overnight. Many couldn't believe how quickly and smoothly the transformation had taken place. This demolition wasn't just a technical achievement. It symbolized the efficiency and precision of modern urban construction. It showed how China's engineers are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, using advanced technology and meticulous planning to minimize disruption to daily life. The project left onlookers amazed and set a new benchmark for engineering speed and excellence. It's yet another example of China's ability to deliver infrastructure miracles. Fast telescope.
When China completes the world's largest radio telescope. It's officially known as the 500-meter aperture spherical telescope and is the size of 30 soccer fields. It's being built in mountainous Guizhou province.
The 500-meter aperture spherical telescope, FAST, is located in the mountains of southwestern China. It's known as China's eye on the sky because it can scan the cosmos for faint signals and distant galaxies that might hide secrets about the universe. The project was completed in 2016 and cost a staggering $180 million. It is the largest single-dish radio telescope in operation, surpassing the famous Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico, which was 305 meters across. Due to the telescope's size, it can capture extremely weak radio waves from distant parts of space, like pulsars, quasars, and even signs of alien civilizations. The area around FAST had to be cleared of possible electronic interference, which meant moving thousands of people out of nearby villages to keep the telescope's environment as quiet as possible. The dish is nestled in a natural basin, making it perfect for fast scanning of the sky. Inside, over 4,000 triangular panels form a curved shape that can shift to focus on different parts of the universe. One major goal of FAST is to discover hundreds of new pulsars. These spinning neutron stars can help scientists study the extreme conditions of space. Another exciting possibility is searching for signals that might hint at life beyond Earth. FAST's groundbreaking design and achievements highlight China's growing influence in astronomy and advanced technology. Through this engineering marvel, humanity gains a new window into the mysteries of the cosmos. It stands as a beacon of cosmic exploration. Baitan Hydropower Station. The Baitan Hydropower Station, located on the Jinsha River in southwestern China, is one of the world's most impressive engineering feats. Completed in 2021, it is the second largest hydropower station globally, after the Three Gorges Dam. With an installed capacity of 16,000 megawatts, it generates enough clean energy to power millions of homes, making it a key player in China's push for renewable energy. Building Baitan was no small task. The dam sits in a region known for its rugged mountains and unpredictable weather. Engineers had to overcome these challenges with innovative solutions. The dam itself is 289 meters tall, made from specially designed concrete to withstand enormous water pressure and earthquakes. It also features 16 giant turbines, each capable of generating 1,000 megawatts of power, the largest of their kind in the world. The construction required tens of thousands of workers, who toiled day and night to complete the project on schedule. The surrounding environment was carefully protected, with advanced technologies used to minimize ecological impact. The project also included flood control measures and improved water management for nearby communities. The Baitan Hydropower Station isn't just a power plant, it's a symbol of innovation and sustainability. By harnessing the power of water, it reduces reliance on fossil fuels and helps combat climate change. This incredible project highlights China's engineering capabilities and its commitment to a greener future. The Sidu Bridge. The Sidu Bridge, located in China's Hubei province, is one of the most breathtaking engineering feats in the world. Suspended an astonishing 1,627 feet above the Sidu River Gorge, the bridge connects two towering cliffs in the middle of lush, mountainous terrain. It's not just a bridge, it's a symbol of human ingenuity and determination, defying the challenges of nature. Completed in 2009, the Sidu Bridge spans over 1,222 meters, making it one of the highest and longest suspension bridges globally. Building such a massive structure in a remote and rugged area was no easy task. Engineers faced steep cliffs, unpredictable weather, and the logistical challenge of transporting materials to the site. In a truly innovative move, the bridge's first cable was launched across the gorge using a rocket.
Builders in China use rockets to build bridges. The Sidu Bridge, connecting the Hubei cities of Anshi and Yichang, is the world's first mountain suspension bridge with a span of 900 meters.
An idea that sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but worked flawlessly. The bridge is designed to withstand earthquakes, strong winds, and other harsh conditions. Its sleek design blends with the surrounding nature, offering visitors not only a smooth drive, but also breathtaking views of the dramatic gorge below. For those brave enough to stop and look down, the view is both thrilling and humbling. The Sidu Bridge is more than just an infrastructure project. It's a testament to human ambition and the ability to overcome nature's most formidable challenges. It stands as a proud achievement, connecting people, places, and dreams high above the clouds. Jiao Bay Bridge. The Jiao Bay Bridge is a spectacular transoceanic roadway stretching across the waters near the coastal city of Qingdao. Completed in just 4 years at a cost of around $2.5 billion, it was hailed as the world's longest sea bridge at the time of its opening. Supported by 5,200 piers and forged with 450,000 tons of steel, this amazing structure is designed to resist severe earthquakes, powerful storms, and even ship collisions. In addition to shortening the distance between Qingdao and Huangdao by about 30 kilometers, the bridge saves travelers 20 to 30 minutes of driving time compared to taking the older highway route along the bay. Its construction required state-of-the-art machinery and skilled engineers to solve countless challenges. Surprisingly, the Jiao Bay Bridge even features towering multi-level interchanges, an impressive achievement given the complexity of building such structures over open water. Every day, about 30,000 vehicles cross this engineering wonder, many of them driven by curious tourists eager to experience the thrill of driving over the sea. The gentle ocean breeze and sweeping views create an unforgettable journey, turning an ordinary trip into a breathtaking adventure. The bridge's graceful design also enhances Qingdao's scenic coastline, making it a popular destination for visitors from around the world. By pushing the boundaries of modern construction, Jiao Bay Bridge stands as a proud testament to China's growing influence in infrastructure, reshaping transportation while capturing the world's imagination. Pingo Canal. The Pingo Canal, also known as the Water Great Wall, is one of China's most ambitious infrastructure projects.
The 140-kilometer-long Pingo Canal will open a shorter route to the sea.
This 135-kilometer-long canal, currently under construction, will connect the inland river systems of Guangxi Province to the Beibu Gulf, opening up a crucial waterway for trade and development in southwestern China. It's not just a canal, it's a bold step toward creating a seamless connection between rivers and seas, fulfilling a dream that has spanned generations. The canal will provide a shortcut for goods, significantly reducing transportation costs and time for industries in the region. Once completed, it will allow ships to bypass existing longer routes, boosting economic growth and trade between China's inland areas and the world. It's expected to become a game changer for regional development, enabling faster and more efficient movement of goods. Building the Pingo Canal is no easy feat. Thousands of workers are involved, using advanced technology to carve through mountains, dredge riverbeds, and construct locks and dams. The project also places a strong focus on sustainability, with measures in place to protect the local ecosystem and minimize environmental impact. Beyond its economic benefits, the Pingo Canal is a symbol of China's engineering prowess and its commitment to progress. It reflects a vision of connecting people, regions, and economies while pushing the boundaries of what modern construction can achieve. Once complete, the canal will stand as a remarkable achievement, reshaping trade and unlocking infinite possibilities for the future. High-speed rail network.
This sprawling factory complex in Qingdao, Shandong Province covers an area of 1.7 square kilometers. This is where nearly half of China's high-speed trains have been developed and manufactured.
A high-speed rail network is one of the most impressive and transformative achievements of modern transportation. Designed for trains that travel at speeds of up to 350 kilometers per hour, these railways have redefined how people move between cities, making travel faster, safer, and more convenient. China's high-speed rail network, the largest in the world, is a shining example of innovation and progress. Stretching over 42,000 kilometers, it connects major cities like Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangzhou, as well as smaller towns, bringing people and businesses closer together. What once took hours or even days by car or traditional train now takes just a few hours on a sleek, fast train. For instance, the journey from Beijing to Shanghai, once a 10-hour trip, now takes under 5 hours. Building this network wasn't easy. Engineers faced tough challenges, such as designing tracks that could handle high speeds while remaining safe and stable, even in areas prone to earthquakes. They also built long tunnels and towering bridges, some of which are engineering marvels in themselves. The benefits of high-speed rail go beyond speed. These trains are eco-friendly, producing far fewer emissions than cars or planes. They also reduce traffic congestion and make travel more comfortable and reliable. High-speed rail is more than just a mode of transport. It's a symbol of progress and connection. It allows people to live, work, and dream in ways that were once unimaginable, transforming economies and lives along the way. Sam Altman, the mastermind and visionary leader behind the popular OpenAI, recently made a statement that focuses on technology and AI and how both affect humanity in the future.
ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools out there. It's supposed to have human-like conversations with users by following a prompt with a detailed response, and safeguards protect us from getting potentially dangerous information.
You might think AI has been a blessing since it was first introduced, but you won't believe what is at stake while you use robots, automatic weapons, and even fast research processing on your mobile phones. What could be so important that Sam Altman had to let you in on what happens behind the scenes of AI? Join us as we reveal everything and more in this video. If you only ever watch one video about AI, you should definitely make it this one. Sam Altman's revealing statement. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said in a published post on his personal blog that they now have the confidence to build artificial general intelligence, which is going to be an upgrade to what we've had in recent past. He revealed that OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, is beginning to turn its attention to superintelligence, and thus might be more terrifying than it sounds. Sam Altman also gave his predictions on how general intelligence will impact humanity's future. The question you might want to ask is if this is just another recommendation or a timely call to see the world through a groundbreaking lens. Brace yourself, as this might just be the beginning of what is yet to be revealed. In a long interview held at Bloomberg Technology on June 22, 2023, Sam Altman said some fascinating things about technology revolutions and what comes after AI. He expressed his excitement at being able to talk about what can happen in the coming years and decades with this technology. He added that it's a question he wished people would ask him, but usually doesn't. He spoke about the shift that happens with every technological revolution. He said they tend to find new things every time people worry about the next thing to be done. He said there are a lot of people talking about AI as the last technological revolution, but revealed that AI will be small compared to what is about to be unleashed. He said while there's no universally accepted definition for artificial general intelligence, OpenAI has historically defined it as a highly autonomous system that outperforms humans in narrow domains, such as chess. He added that the key to artificial general intelligence is generality, a system believed to be able to manage a complex coding project from start to finish, draw insight from biology to solve engineering problems, or write a Pulitzer-worthy novel. OpenAI is said to be on a mission to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. In his 2015 essay, Sam Altman reportedly wrote that the development of superhuman machine intelligence would probably be the greatest threat to the continued existence of humanity.
The excitement around AI technologies such as ChatGPT, whose fourth-generation large language model GPT-4 is expected for release next week, the debate over threat to the current job market from the burgeoning technology seems to be getting brushed under the carpet.
He revealed that OpenAI had previously written that it doesn't know how to reliably steer and control superhuman AI systems. He said the team created to lead work on steering superintelligent systems for the safety of humans was disbanded in the year 2014, after both its co-leads left the company. One of the co-leads, Jan Leek, wrote on X that over the past years, safety culture and processes have taken a back seat to shiny products. He said that the company has 3 safety products, which is an internal safety advisory group, a safety and security committee, and the Deployment Safety Board, which has members from both OpenAI and Microsoft, and approved the deployment of models above a certain capability level. Sam Altman expressed hope in having a lot more public debate to know if people want superintelligence or not. He admitted in one of his posts on his X account that OpenAI is still a long way from profitability at the moment. He revealed that the company loses billions annually, and that its annual losses could triple to $14 billion by 2026. He further stated that he does not expect the company to turn its first profit until 2029, when its annual revenue could reach $100 billion. The company's latest plan, ChatGPT Pro, is said to have cost $200 per month and gives users access to the company's most advanced models. He, however, stressed that the company's mission is to build artificial general intelligence, not superintelligence, but his recent posts is said to have suggested that the stance might have shifted. You're about to hear one of the most shocking revelations that will keep you at the edge of your seat. The call for superintelligence and future predictions.
So all of a sudden AI is everywhere. People who weren't quite sure what it was are playing with it on their phones. Is that good or bad?
It's one of the things that, the sort of 4 or 5 things I thought would really affect the future dramatically.
Sam Altman said in his recent post that advances in technology could lead to more noticeable adoption of AI in workplaces in the year 2025, which could be in the form of AI agents, autonomous systems that can perform specific tasks without human intervention and potentially take actions for days at a time. Sam Altman also said that we may see the first AI agents join the workforce and materially change the output of companies. In a recent interview with Bloomberg, Sam Altman said that he thinks artificial general intelligence will probably get developed during Donald Trump's term. He noted that artificial general intelligence has become a very sloppy term, which competitors think is very close. Elon Musk, the co-founder of OpenAI, and Dario Amodei, who happened to be the CEO of Anthropic, both said that they think AI systems could outsmart humans by 2026. OpenAI said that artificial general intelligence could help elevate humanity by increasing abundance and turbocharging the global economy. The company further stated that artificial general intelligence could aid in the discovery of new scientific knowledge that changes the limits of possibility, but recent comments from Altman have been somewhat more subdued. In December 2024, Sam Altman said that he guessed the world will hit artificial general intelligence sooner than most people think, and it will matter much less. He added that artificial general intelligence can get built, and the world would go on mostly in the same way. He also said things will grow faster, but that there is going to be a long continuation from what we call artificial general intelligence to what we call superintelligence. In one of his recent posts, Altman said they are beginning to turn their aim beyond artificial general intelligence to superintelligence in the true sense of the word. That's not all. He expressed his love for their current products but said they are here for the glorious future. He added that superintelligent tools could massively accelerate scientific discovery and innovation well beyond what we are capable of doing on our own, and in turn, massively increase abundance and prosperity. Sam Altman, who previously wrote that it is possible to have superintelligence in 1,000 days, said that the ability to accelerate scientific discovery is a key distinguishing factor between artificial general intelligence and superintelligence. Nick Bostrom, the philosopher, who wrote the book titled Superintelligence, Paths, Dangers, and Strategies in 2014, was said to have popularized the concept of superintelligence. Bostrom defined superintelligence as any intellect that greatly exceeds the cognitive performance of humans in virtually all domains of interest, like artificial general intelligence, but more. Sam Altman called the book the best thing he has seen on the topic of superintelligence. OpenAI also reportedly said that artificial general intelligence will be just a point along a continuum of intelligence, but a misaligned superintelligence AGI could cause grievous harm to the world. These harms are said to be inextricable from the idea of superintelligence, because experts do not currently know how to align these hypothetical systems with human values. Both artificial general intelligence and superintelligence systems were said could cause harm, not necessarily due to malicious intent, but simply because humans are unable to adequately specify what they want the system to do. In 2024, Stuart Russell was said to have raised a concern. In his conversation with Time, he said the concern is what seems to be reasonable goals. He said that fixing climate change could lead to catastrophic consequences and eliminate the human race in a way to fix climate change. Reservations and reactions to the proposed AI. In the recent Bloomberg interview, Altman said he still expects that cybersecurity and bio stuff will see serious or potentially serious short-term issues. He said the risks need to be mitigated and that long-term risks are harder to precisely imagine. He admitted that these risks are real and also believes that the only way to address them is to ship products and learn. Sam Altman spoke further about his brief ouster as the CEO by the OpenAI board and his subsequent return to the company. He He called the event a big failure of governance by well-meaning people, including himself. He admitted he wished he had done things better. Researchers were also said to have collectively estimated that there's a 10% chance that AI systems could outperform humans on most tasks by 2027, in the largest survey of AI researchers made till date, assuming science continues to progress without interruption. Gary Marcus, who happened to be a prominent AI commentator, was said to have disagreed with Sam Altman. He said that artificial general intelligence is basically solved, while Mustafa Suleyman, CEO of Microsoft AI, said there's uncertainty regarding whether artificial general intelligence can be achieved on today's hardware or not. He said categorical declarations feel sort of ungrounded to him, and cited challenges in robotics as one cause of his skepticism. Share your thoughts with us in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Also, click on the following video showing on your screen. You will enjoy it.